Hello, everybody. Steven here with Cannin.com, back for another technical analysis. This week we're looking at one of the better known pharmaceutical companies that also play in cannabinoids. This is CURR Pharmaceuticals, CURR. Let's jump over to the pricing chart. So you see listed on the OTC, we're looking at CURR. This is the daily chart. Pricing is currently about 55 cents and has been on a downswing since the beginning of summertime when they peaked around just under 90 cents. Given most of that back, so pretty disappointing performance throughout Q3 2021. You can see their earnings here standardized at negative 2 cents. So pretty disappointing on the pricing chart. We're looking at the triple moving average here. You can see the short term is 9 periods, and that's this green line. The medium term is 30 periods. The long term, which is the red, is 70 periods. And you can see a little bit, let's watch this green line. You can see it's bouncing a little bit off the medium term, currently under. Let me zoom in so you can see that short term, medium term, long term. So you can see this is a sign of weakness here. So the triple moving average is showing us that maybe this price is not going to recover too much. The no sure thing, let me remind you, the signal line here is red, the KST itself is green. We did see a cross here, 24th of June. That was well after, that would have been a sell signal. That was well after this big loss here. But once we did get that signal, we did go from 68 all the way down multiple times to the low 50s. Once we hit the low 50s, the low mark here, you can see on the 21st of July, we were at 52 cents. The KST did cross back above the signal line. That would have been a buy signal. Keep in mind all of this, here's zero, all of this is well into the negative territory, so it's kind of one of the two buy signals that we're looking for. The price did kind of come back a little bit, maybe up 6-7 cents, and now kind of superimposed on each other. You can't tell which one is up, which one is down on the no sure thing. So kind of a neutrality signal here, but it's a weak one because keep in mind we're in negative territory here. MACD, kind of a similar picture. You can see the crossing and timing aspects. That's why we look at both. The no sure thing gives us that cross after the MACD does, which is interesting timing. But both after this big pricing drop, so kind of an interesting play. The signal line, again, here is orange. The MACD is blue. We dropped below. Then again, you see the cross here on the MACD, the 14th of July. The cross on the KST was a week later, on the 21st of July. So what a good way to look at both and back up your signals. Is this a buy? Well, let's see. Well, that one verified the MACD's buy signal, and maybe we would have played, maybe we'd still be in here, but maybe we would have played that small 10% gain. You can see same as the KST, the picture of neutrality here right now for CURR Pharmaceuticals. So tough 2021 so far, especially Q3. They do have some interesting press releases, with their acquisition of Sarah. Check it out at Cannin.com if you're interested there. They did make their portfolio much more diversified and strong in terms of revenue. So is this going to go from a 7 million revenue to a 20 million revenue company? We're going to certainly see Q4 2021 and into 2022. So short term, we have weakness, neutral, neutral. Long term, the fundamentals, a little bit more of a rosy picture. Check it all out at Cannin.com and let us know what you think in the comments. Happy trading, everybody.